What's up YouTube, another video, and today I bought something from Target and this is what it is. So we're gonna crack this open and we're gonna see what kind of pulls can we get. Hopefully we can get some crazy pulls. So okay. I only got one Guardian Rising pack before and I got absolutely trashed out of it. So hopefully I could get something good out of this one. Hopefully. Yep, I think I opened this wrong. Oh my god. I think I kinda need some scissors, but I got this. Okay. So, this is gonna be my third coin that I'm gonna get because there's a Metagross coin in here. Got Tapu Koko, Guardian Rising, another Tapu, another Tapu Koko. I thought that was okay, and I got his name, but it's the Guardian Rising. So, let me get the coin out of here first. Yeah. Okay. I got me a Metagross coin. Let me put that up there. And time for the promo card. The funniest name that a Pokemon name can have. The promo card, Terminator. Oh, that's just a funny name. Okay. So, I got Terminator. That's our promo card. And I'm going to be putting those to the side. So, the first pack, we're going to be opening a Tapu Koko pack. So, woo. Okay. Here's the code. Wait 1 second, you guys. My sister's calling me. Okay, my sister wanted me to say, do you want a cookie or not? I said yes. So, this is the code. Is it upside down? If it's upside down, I don't care. Okay, so 4 from the back. So we got a Fighting Energy, Weeping Bell, Multi Switch, Fletchinger. I haven't saw that in a long time. Shangmo O. I don't really know these names. I should be ashamed. Okay, let me put these. Okay, wait 1 second. Shrubbish, Wilmer, Tallow, Phantom with Mimikyu in the back right there. You can see it, Mimikyu. Reverse proper pass and a rich gas. That was a lame back. So let me put this in order and all that. Okay, putting these over there. We got another one. Got him. Hopefully we could get. Hopefully this won't be this opening won't be a trash one. I want it to be a good one and all that. Oh, clean pack. Hey. So got that. There's the code. Wait, is that upside down? Yep. Nope. Okay, here's the goat. Y'all want it? Okay, from the back. Okay, for water energy. Okay, Alamorola. I don't know his name, but okay. Choice band. Finishlish. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, wait. I'll grab two. A Gaflairy. Tentacle. Guest form. I'm sorry I keep on doing like that. Sometimes I don't know what the name is. I can't see it through the camera. Gothita. Wait. Oric. Gory. I don't know. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Do y'all see this right now? I got Decidueye GX Rainbow freaking rare. Oh my god. Hollow Hunt, Razor Leaf, and Feather Arrow. Oh my god. But the bad thing about it is only does 90 damage. But the HP is whoo, look at the HP. 240. Oh my god. I'm putting that to the side. That looks so good in the sun. Oh my god. That's my second rainbow rare. Oh my god. And I don't got no sleeves. Okay. So I got me the last one, Tapu Koko. So, okay. I'm gonna pray on this back that we can get I know we already got a secret rare. I want it to be the best back ever. If we can pull somehow one of the rarest cards in the set, I'm like dead serious. I'll be the happiest boy in the world if we get to pull another one. Oh, Unlisted Leaf. Shout out to my boy Unlisted Leaf. I'm subscribed to you. We should do a collab. I love your channel. Okay. And he just pulled something, so he just pulled this card, but in the thing. Okay. Research structure. I don't know. Mamola. Beware. Kumi. Rockruff. Dello. No pass. Okay. Sorry, there's something in my eye. Sorry, I wasn't been talking. I was looking at that, but okay. Solid it. A reverse beware. I ain't gonna look. Dang it! Oh, great. But I can't get too mad because we're gonna go ahead and pull. Well, we're gonna get the promo card, Thirdinator, and then do Decidueye GX Rainbow Rare, Secret Rare, 146 out of 145, so that's good. Oh, where's my box? Okay. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if I should do more. That's serious. If you want, like I said last video, I ain't gonna give this away. But you want any of the other cards, comment down below. I will send them to you. or we can trade in the comments below. This is all the regular rares and energies and all that. If you want them, we can trade. Comment down below, or I can just give them out to you. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces.